The solid welcome entrance doormats carpets, rugs are an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home's entryway or living spaces. With their combination of safety features, ease of maintenance, stylish design, and versatility, they cater well to a wide range of needs and tastes. It's an investment in both function and style that can genuinely elevate the atmosphere of your home. In terms of maintenance, the materials used in these rugs are designed for durability and ease of cleaning. Many users will appreciate that they can simply shake, vacuum, or wipe the mats down to remove dirt and debris. Furthermore, their resilience ensures that they will withstand regular use while maintaining their appearance over time. This makes them a wise investment for both busy households and those who prefer a tidy, welcoming entry. The thickness of the mats strikes a balance, providing enough cushioning underfoot without being excessively bulky. This makes them comfortable for standing on, whether cooking in the kitchen or waiting by the door for guests. Additionally, the solid design minimizes the appearance of wear, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, although they are best suited for shelter from direct exposure to the elements.